Downloaded an episode of our favourite show in 60 seconds. Off. Did you turn the power on? What PowerPoint did you put it in? It's got to be a good thing, I reckon. Starlink is still connecting data on obstructions. Oh, this usually takes 12 hours. Oh.
Not backflip.
Yes. Make sure that goes down. Here, check out our big campfire. It's raging
The party
out of a
pit.
bonfire.
Party
We're
pit.
going to start up the Starlink, have a party. If you don't have an inverter in your van or you're not at a caravan park, you're probably going to have a problem. Going to make a Wi-Fi call. Yeah, let's see what Tracy's doing. I've had a few beers already. We'll put them all. There's a bit of rain. Oh shit.
Can we start again?
Craig here, Caravans by the Campfire.
Yeah.
And we've had this unit for a couple of weeks. Wait till you see it. What is it? Starlink here. So we're going to set it up right now. I've set my app up on the phone. We're actually between Oberon and Jenolan Cape, so there's absolutely zero signal anywhere on any phone, any device.
And a lot of valleys.
Valleys. It is
Mountains.
a sunny day, so that's good. So let's have a look in this box. All right, take this plastic device. I might need that. Oh, U-butte frame like that. This must be the big satellite dish, RB dish. Big instructions so someone like me can understand. Connect this to that, to that, to that. Looks pretty simple. Okay. A modem. So we need a modem. Look at this. 300 meters of cable. That's going to be great, I reckon. 300 meters of cable. Good. Just click that in. Let's put it down on the ground here. Check out our big campfire. It's raging
The party
out of a
pit.
bonfire.
Party
We're
pit.
going to start up the Starlink, have a party. Okay. Take this modem with you, just put it on the table somewhere. Good. There she goes. Lucky we got such a big cable. Look at all this cable. So here we go. The Starlink app. Let's push that Starlink app. Right, first thing it wants to do, connect to Starlink. Open your Wi-Fi settings, back to the Starlink app. Okay, so we're offline at the moment.
No, it's moving.
Oh.
Not backflip.
You can hear something's going on here. It says I have a clear view. Starlink is still connecting data on obstructions. Oh, this usually takes 12 hours. Don't know what that means. Scan the entire sky. Okay, so let's scan the... Oh, look, you can see the little dots coming in on the screen. Oh, amazing. Look at that. It's even getting those green dots through the trees. 97, 98, 99. Oh! View results. Let's have a view results. This may take a few moments the first time you open the app. Oh, it's going pretty quickly. 98%. Oh. It does say I might want to find a better spot. Let's go down here, find a better spot.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, if you like. See what happens here. Okay, I'm going to push the app again. Point your camera up in the entire sky. Done that. Look, all these notifications are coming in. What does that mean? Oh, text message. Oh, we must be connected. Then let's just have a look now. So it seems to be just all connected. Oh, it's moving again. It's constantly moving. Look, finding new satellites. One thing I like to try straight away is the weather app, because those things are crazy, yes. You know, they're hard to load, particularly the normal ones. Oh, right, beautiful. Look at that. So there you go, super fast. If you can get your weather app to work super fast at the best of times, you know you've got pretty good internet connection. What else? Amazon. Let's go to Amazon, see if there's anything on sale. Cool. Look at that, straight away. That is crazy. Amazing. Let me search. Let's go to YouTube, because it's got a lot of data. Can you see that?
I think so.
Let's load up something. See how quick that is. Look how fast that is.
Engine oil samples is no problem, so that we cover all bases. Because we've done thousands of inspections.
Let's get the big man standard high pressure airbags in the back of the old 200. That's good. Again, before we put any air in there, just make sure you run advanced speed test. Here we go. So if you have a look here, let's have a little look at what this does. So Starlink speed to the modem. Yeah. That's not bad.
Go back to YouTube again.
So we're loading up YouTube. Yeah, let's just have a little look here. Oh yeah. In case you missed the video about the blinds. Look at that, load straight away. Yeah, have a look at this. Just a little tip. When your blinds do
you
have to go and watch it if you want to watch it. A couple of things can be going on. Look at that. So just fast forwarded that video. Quickly shuffle it up and down. So the only other thing on in this van is the fridge, right? Which it pulls like 2.5 to 3 amps, sometimes 3.5. Have a look at this. 5.8 amps. Fluctuates between 5.8 and 7. So, you know, to run this Starlink, it's going to be roughly around about the energy required to run your fridge. Right. Going to make a Wi-Fi call. Yeah, let's see what Tracy's doing. Wi-Fi. Is that ringing?
Well, it did ring, yeah.
Hello?
I can hear you.
Ah, good. So the phone works, a little bit echoey. That's probably...
Close.
No, I think that's the satellite. But you know, if you're anyone out there that's had a satellite phone before, it gets a little bit echoey. So how's that sound now?
Fine.
Yeah.
Sounds normal, actually.
Yeah, we're doing a FaceTime.
You can't see much.
Can you see?
No, get in the shade.
FaceTime, look.
Yeah, I can see.
Artie.
Don't put me on.
Look at that,
Don't put
look
me
at
on
that.
YouTube.
Don't put you on, okay, righto.
Can you see?
So fancy that. A FaceTime.
FaceTime in the middle of nowhere, mate.
Yeah, good work.
It's pretty good. It's like pretty clear. Can you see me? All right.
Yeah, you're
perfect.
clear.
Okay, 7 AM. Next day after our Starlink install. Here we go. Have a look at these conditions. Pretty overcast, a little bit of blue sky around. When I connected this 15 minutes ago, it was no blue sky whatsoever. Wonder if it's going to rain and I should be packing things up. Let's have a look at this. Let's dial up the weather up. Here we go. Right there. Ooh. What's that? Rain. Let's see where we are. Ooh, there is a bit of rain. Ooh, shit. Thanks to Starlink. I better get a few of these things in under the van before it gets wet. It's raining. Yep, the old Starlink. Going strong out there, little baby. Okay, so that's it for the Starlink setup. Just a fantastic piece of equipment, I reckon. We've made a FaceTime call to our daughter. Yep. Posted a few things. Checked all our emails. Downloaded an episode of our favourite show in 60 seconds. So, one thing I think you've got to be careful of is people are sitting around on their mobile phones again. That's not the idea of being out in the bush, is it? Let's go. I think I'll just be turning it on once or twice a day, doing our stuff and moving along. So if you're out here touring all the time, it's got to be a good thing, I reckon.